In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting using Outlook. This is a simple and efficient way to plan meetings and make sure everyone is invited and informed. Let's jump right in. To begin, sign into your Microsoft Outlook account. Open your web browser and go to the Outlook website. Once the page loads, click the Sign In button and enter your email address and password. After that, click Next to access your account. After signing in, head over to the Calendar section. You can find this by looking at the menu in the upper left corner of the Outlook interface. Click Calendar, and your schedule will appear on the screen. From here, you have a couple of ways to create a meeting. You can click directly on a date in your calendar, but for this tutorial, we'll use the New Event button. Click New Event, and the meeting setup window will open. Start by entering a meeting title. This should clearly describe the purpose of the meeting so attendees know what it's about at a glance. Next, add your attendees by typing in their email addresses. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type, making this step faster and easier. Once your attendees are added, choose the meeting date and set the start and end times. Take a moment to make sure the schedule doesn't conflict with other events on your calendar or your attendees' availability. If the meeting will be held in person, you can also add a location, such as an office or conference room. There's also a description field where you can include notes, an agenda, or any important details your attendees should review before the meeting. When everything looks good, click Save. This will create the meeting and automatically send invitations to everyone you added. Before you finish, it's a good idea to double-check your calendar to confirm the meeting appears correctly with the right date, time, and details. Once confirmed, you're all set. And that's how you schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.